I'm with Mark, the owner of MAB Motorsports, and we are talking about everything cars. So Mark, tell me, what is MAB Motorsports?
Basically a company I created 4 years ago just to help out a lot of the people that I know with getting their cars repaired, collision, mechanical, paintless dent repair, pretty much anything that had to do with your vehicle we can handle.
So I get in a wreck, I can bring it into you?
Yes, you can. As long as you don't hurt anybody and you don't want me to just make it disappear, then yes, that's fine.
Now you guys are doing some restoration work as well.
Yes, restoration and customizing is really what I wanted to focus on. When you first get into the business, you've kind of got to learn the ropes. So mechanical, collision, pretty much doing anything I could to get customers built to lead into doing restorations. So older cars, classic cars, newer cars, pretty much anything that is flashy and nice, I love to get my hands on.
I love cars, and I want to know what some of your favorites are that you've worked on.
We've totally refurbished and customized a 2005 Maserati quad. We've done pretty much every newer Cadillac you can think of, Range Rovers. We've done some classic cars. One of the favorite cars we're working on right now is a 72 Dodge Charger, which is going to turn out to probably be awesome. And then we've done some cars for some people. We did a 96 Mazda Miata for a little old lady friend of mine who fell in love with the car after we were done. And we've done stuff for people like a 72 Fiat. The guy bought it for his father as a gift, and the guy who drives it every day, they took pictures of it and sent it to me, and it was just really rewarding to see that your work brought joy to somebody.
You've helped one of our beloved mascots, Boomer from the Pacers, with his car that he drives on the court sometimes.
Yep. About 3 months ago, he came to me and he wanted his cat ride to be upgraded a little bit. So he brought his go-kart into us, and we were able to customize it a little bit, put an actual basketball court on it, put a lot of the logos on it, customize it really nice, and really made it stand out. Turned out awesome.
And how about that E500?
Yeah, we worked on a 1992 Mercedes-Benz. It was one of 500 that were made. The guy wanted it just to go back to look brand new again, so that was something we brought back to life. One of the nicest cars I think we've ever done here.
Pretty important.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it amazing how attached people get to their cars? I mean, it's like a second member of the family.
Cars, to me, I've always been attached to since I was a young kid. You just love them. You love the way they look. They're fast, they're loud. People look at you in them. So it's almost like a second personality take on having a certain car. So, being able to fix somebody's car, being able to give them something that they've wanted their entire life, it's a dream that anybody would want to do. I mean, there's a lot of people in this industry, and cars are fun.
And important because we need them every day to get where we have to be.
We do. So it's kind of important that we do a little bit of both. Not only can I make you a custom car that you want, we can also take care of the car that you drive every single day. For me, the business that I wanted to start was that people could come to me for anything. I just didn't want to do one thing. There's not a lot of companies out there that focus on trying to do everything because it's too much. With me, I figured if you're going to fix a car, you might as well do everything.
It's a one-stop shop.
You got it.
Why do I want to bring my car to you and not the other, gazillion options out there for vehicle repair?
That's probably a good question. I think the main reason is because you're going to get to deal with me.
And you're just so charming.
I can be at times, but I'm pretty attainable. Not only can you get a hold of me usually by phone, but text message. A lot of times if I've got to come pick you up or we've got to situate rides, I'm going to help and do that. You're probably never going to find an owner who's going to do more things for you to be able to earn your business. I think most of my customers are referral. Most of them are good friends. So I've got to take care of them as best as I can. So I try to keep every customer like they're a great friend, and it keeps them coming back.
I think it's great that you're so available to your customers. People build trust that way. Obviously, you offer good service.
Yes.
So if your car needs repair, it's in an accident, damage, collision, or you just want to bring in a great old hot rod and have it restored, Mark's your guy.
Come to me.